Hello, my lovely student. I am Miss Yasmin, and this is a short video to explain to you how we will solve the quiz together, inshallah. We have here in the worksheets 10 steps. We will start from step number 1, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You have to just click on the start button, then type PO to open it. You can see it in the top of the list. Just click it one time, then you will choose blank presentation. Now we will go to the step number 2. Write the title My Family and write the subtitle Your Name. Both of them in the same slide, the first slide here. Here you will write My Family, this is the title, and here subtitle you will write your name. I will write my name, Yasmin Al-Walidi. Then we will go to the next step. Here, open new slide. We will go to open new slide. From here you see new slide. You can click here or you can click down and choose title and content. This one we will need it. Okay, I will click here and we will go to the next step. You have to write on the title members of my family. We will write it in the new slide we make here in the top, members of my family. Next step, insert table, 3 columns and 5 rows. Now we will pick here the table. To insert table, we will write here 3 columns and here 5 rows. Okay, and we will click OK. Here we have to make this line shorter, or we will move it. How? When you see the mouse has 2 arrows, just click the mouse and drag it until here. Okay, then we will fill the table as you see in the picture in the worksheet like this. Here you will write the name of your family, and here you will write who is this, mother or father or sister. Okay, yalla, we will start now. Here NO dot, that means numbers, and here names, and here family. Okay, here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will write my father name Mansour, and here my mother name Halima, and here I will write my brother Abdul Malik and my brother Mujib. If I want to add more rows, you can put the mouse in the end of the table and click the tab key in the keyboard. You can add more, and if you want more, you can make more. If you want deleted, you just need to select all the rows and then click backspace from the keyboard. Okay, now we will write here number 5. I will write here Asma, my sister. Now I will write here in the family column Mansour, my father, Halima, my mother, Abdul Malik, my brother, Mujib, my brother, and Asma, my sister. Okay, now here we will go to design the presentation. From here we will design, click the design button, then you will find a lot of design. You will pick any one you like. I will choose, for example, this one. Okay, now we will go to the next step, make transition. If you want to make transition, you can just click on the slide, then make transition for this slide. Click transition and choose any transition you like from here. I will choose this one. You see now, when you make transition, you see here star beside the slide. So here there is no star. This means you didn't make transition for this slide. So I will make transition for this slide. I will choose this one. Okay, and you can make also animation. This is animation for the text and the table pictures, everything inside the slides. So if you want to make animation, you can make it. I taught you in the class, but it's not included in the exam. So first you have to click the text, then go to the animation and choose animation you like. For example, this one. Then choose the other text and pick another animation. Look here, when you make animation, you can see number 1 for this one and number 2 for this. You can go to the next slide and click here to make another animation like this, and click on the table to make the animation for the table like this, for example. Okay. If you want to see your work, you can make slideshow from this icon down. Just click slideshow and you can see everything you do. Click the mouse or the space bar to see everything. This is the transition, the animation, also animation for the table. That's it. Now in the end, we have to save our work. You have to go to the save icon. Then write here your name beside my family. I will write Yasmin. And then you have to choose where you want to save it. I will save it in the desktop to find it easily. And then click save. That's it. If you close it now, you can find it in the desktop. This is our work. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. See you later and bye-bye.